Okay, how we all doing, guys? And today I'm coming at you with the best affordable Xbox One controller that I could find on Amazon. Welcome back to the series, guys, where I find the best technology on Amazon for the cheapest stuff here. So guys, I found a great Xbox One controller. I know Xbox One controllers can be really expensive. Most of them go over 40 bucks, brand new. But this one right here, the PDP Stealth Series wired controller for Xbox One is so inexpensive. This is insane. I've never seen an Xbox One controller be priced this cheap. It's only $19.99, so 20 bucks you get a wired Xbox One controller. And by the way, guys, wired controllers are better than wireless. Just a heads up for input lag and all that stuff. You get a lesser input lag, so when you click a button, it's going to happen on screen faster with a wired controller. So let me just go through the features here and just show you some pictures. The dimensions and stuff, all the buttons. It's basically the standard layout of the Xbox controller. It's just slightly different feel, but in my opinion, this looks exactly the same as like a normal Xbox One controller. As you can see on screen here, it still has like a USB cable to plug it in. Very traditional. And here we go. Something really cool right here is it comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is insane. Like, there are some regular Xbox One controllers that don't even have this, and this one does. You can plug your headphones in here. As you can see here, it has the jack right there. And then just some other information here. A free app lets you customize your controller, so I guess there's an app to go along with it, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to show the video or anything, but guys, this also comes in a couple different colors. We got black, blue, green, but these are all more expensive. I wouldn't really go for these ones. There's white camouflage, purple, but stick to the cheap one here, guys. Just get the black camouflage one, which is only $19.99. And I believe they also do make, they make white and regular black, but I'm pretty sure you can get those cheaper too. So stylish wired controller is compatible with Xbox One, Xbox One S, and Windows. So you can also use this on your Windows PC if you want to game on there too. 3.5mm, I think they spelled millimeter wrong, but 3.5mm audio jack. You can like chat and control the volume. Okay, so we got non-slip grips, which is nice. The regular one doesn't even have that. Textured trigger and shoulder buttons. That's awesome. Enhanced gameplay with vibration feedback. The vibration is probably not going to be as good as the regular controller, just a heads up. And a removable 8 feet. Jeez, that's long. Wow, I've never. 8 feet's really long for a wire, but you may want to keep that coiled up. But yeah, I think this controller is great, guys. If you want to go pick it up, I'm going to leave the link down below. I know a lot of you don't really want to pay that much for an Xbox One controller. I know I don't. If mine broke, I'd probably get this one as a good alternative because it looks exactly the same and has all the same features. So guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of Prime Tech. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications so you guys know exactly when I upload my content, because YouTube doesn't like pushing out to sub boxes a lot of the time. Also, guys, leave a comment down below on other products you want me to check out on Amazon, what you want me to find really good deals on certain tech. And if you want to go watch some gaming content, you can go subscribe to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy. I've been uploading on there a lot and live streaming some Fortnite, Minecraft, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, all that good stuff, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Peace out.